Police Organization, Royal Brunei Police Force, ito yung kilala sa police organization ng Brunei at kilala rin siya sa abbreviation na RBPF. Then next is Official Police Organization of Brunei Darussalam. So ibig sabihin, ito yung pangunahing police force ng bansa at sila ang legal na ahensya ng pulisya. Then next is responsible for law enforcement and public safety. Sila yung nagpapatupad ng batas at nagbabantay para maging ligtas sa mga mamamayan. And next is maintains peace and order in the country. Tungkulin nila na panatilihin ang kaayusan at katahimikan sa buong Brunei. And lastly, operates under the authority of the Sultan. So, ang police force ng Brunei ay nasa ilalim.
Brief history. The Royal Brunei Police Force was officially established on January 1, 1920, during the British administration of Brunei. In 1959, when Brunei gained internal self-government, the police force began to develop more professionally and took on greater responsibility for national security. Today, the RBPF is responsible for law enforcement, crime prevention, traffic control, and public safety, and it continues to modernize while upholding Brunei's law, Islamic values, and traditions.
Royal Brunei Police Force Organization Structure. Number 1. High Command Leadership. At the aspect of the RBPF is the monarch, followed by the executive leadership that manage daily operation and strategy planning. Number 2. Superintendent General, Inspector General of Police. His Majesty is the Sultan and Yang the First One of Brunei Darussalam. Number 3. Commissioners of Police. The operational head of the force, duty commissioners of police, assist the commissioner and oversees the secretarial. Number 4. Main directorates department. The RBFP is divided into several key directorates located at the police headquarters. This department manages the specialized function of the force.
Based on my research, here's the ranking classification of Brunei. Royal Brunei, 4th rank with the highest rank officer to the lowest rank officer. And here's the Commission Officer, Inspector General of Police, Deputy Inspector General of Police, Commissioner, Deputy Commissioner, Senior Assistant Commissioner, Assistant Commissioner, Senior Superintendent, Deputy Superintendent, Chief Inspector, Senior Inspector, Inspector, Probationary Inspector, Cadet Inspector. And for non-commissional officer, Sergeant Major, Staff Sergeant, Sergeant, Corporal, and lastly the lowest rank is Lance Corporal. For the audition, here's the minimum qualification for a Royal Police Force. The age must be 18 to 35 years old. Must possess a bachelor degree, minimum second class, lower honors, other qualification that is recognized by Brunei Darussalam National. And must be a permanent resident of Brunei. The height for a man must be of 5'6" and above, while for a woman is not less than 5'4".
So here's the unique policing system of the Royal Brunei Police Force. The first one is Brunei has only one police force for the whole country. Unlike po sa atin na meron po tayong city police and provincial police, sila po is centralized po ang kanila. Iisa lang po ang what you call that? Police force po nila. Then all police po follow one command and set of rules. And ang sultan po ang pinaka-higher authority po nila sa police force. And ayun nga po, the crime is low since parang small country po sila. So, yung mga police is makakapag-respond po sa kanila agad. And syempre, kung small po yung country nyo, mas makikilala po nila yung mga community po nila or nakapalili kung sino po yung mga binabantayan nila since small country nga lang po ang Brunei. That's all.